Power Liftgate is a convenient hands-free tool that makes your daily life just a little bit easier. Here are the 4 ways to use the Power Liftgate. First, you can open your tailgate with a soft kick underneath the bumper. The Buick will give you a second to take a step back, and then it will open the tailgate. You can also close your tailgate with a soft kick as well. You can use your key fob to open and close the tailgate. Simply click this button twice each time that you want to open or close it. The traditional open and close buttons are also useful, and they can be found underneath the back Buick logo and the tailgate itself. On the driver's door, there's a button that not only allows you to open and close the tailgate, but also control how much you open it. The full setting will allow you to open the tailgate as wide as possible. The 3/4 setting will stop the tailgate just shy of its full width. This setting is perfect for low ceiling areas like a parking garage or your own garage. And the off setting turns this button off completely.